Alright, I pulled the pin back and I made an adjustment on the hammer leg to get the counterweight higher, to cock it higher. Got 3 cameras rolling, 4 cameras rolling in 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was fast. I couldn't even see it. One. I was smoking. And 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it was a quick one, boys. That was perfect. Perfect online. That's 300 right there. No doubt about where that one landed. 328 feet. Very nice. Perfect inline.